Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waiting for those bi-weekly paychecks and you're looking for ways to make some extra cash every single day, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into some awesome websites that can put money in your pocket daily. Let's get started. First up on our list is a site that pays you for taking surveys. Not only is it simple, but you can also do it in your spare time while binge watching your favorite shows. Next, we have a platform that allows you to sell your unused items for cash. This is a great way to declutter your space while making some extra money at the same time. Another fantastic option is freelance work, where you can offer your skills and expertise. You can find opportunities in writing, graphic design, programming, and so much more. Lastly, consider signing up for cashback websites that reward you for shopping. By using these sites, you can earn money back on purchases you were already planning to make. So, whether you're looking for an easy side hustle or just want to maximize your spending, these options are worth considering. Remember, the key to success is consistency and finding what works best for you. Now, before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. You'll need to put in some effort, but these are legitimate ways to earn consistent daily income. And remember, always do your own research before signing up for any online platform. With that said, let's explore some tried-and-true methods that can help you boost your income. First up, consider freelance work, leveraging your skills in writing, graphic design, or programming. Next, explore the world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products you believe in. Another option is to create and sell online courses, sharing your expertise with those eager to learn. Additionally, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel where you can monetize your content through ads and sponsorships. Lastly, think about investing in stocks or real estate, which can provide passive income over time. Each of these methods requires dedication and a willingness to learn, but the rewards can be significant. Ultimately, the key to success lies in finding the right approach that aligns with your strengths and interests. Stay patient and consistent, as building a reliable source of income takes time and effort. First up, we dive into the world of micro-task websites, where individuals can earn money by completing small, quick tasks from the comfort of their homes. These platforms offer a variety of tasks, making it easy for anyone to find something that suits their skills and interests. One of the most appealing aspects of micro-task websites is the flexibility they provide, allowing users to work whenever it fits their schedule. Participants can start earning right away, often with no special qualifications required, making this an accessible option for many. The tasks vary in pay, but many users find that the cumulative earnings can add up significantly over time. Moreover, these platforms often foster a sense of community where users can share tips and experiences to maximize their earnings. However, it's essential to remain cautious, as not all micro-task websites are legitimate, and users should do their research before committing. In conclusion, microtask websites represent a viable option for those seeking flexible part-time work, provided they choose reputable platforms. As the gig economy continues to grow, the popularity of microtask sites is likely to rise, providing even more opportunities for income generation. By dedicating time to complete multiple tasks each day, you can steadily increase your earnings and enjoy the fruit of your labor. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. The more tasks you tackle, the more money you can make. Consistency is key. Setting aside a regular time each day can lead to significant financial rewards over time. Tracking your progress can also motivate you to keep pushing forward and strive for higher earnings. As you become more efficient, you'll find yourself able to complete tasks quicker and maximize your daily income. Additionally, exploring new platforms and diversifying your tasks can further enhance your income potential. Stay engaged with the community around these tasks, as sharing tips and strategies can lead to even greater success. Finally, remember that patience and persistence are crucial. The more you invest effort into this process, the more rewarding it becomes. Celebrate your small victories along the way, as each completed task brings you closer to your financial goals. Ultimately, the journey of earning through tasks is not just about the money. It's also about building skills and discipline. Let's dive into the world of online survey platforms, where your opinions can earn you money. These platforms connect you directly with companies eager to hear consumer insights. By signing up, you gain access to a variety of surveys tailored to your interests and demographics. Each completed survey can earn you points or cash, putting money back in your pocket for just sharing your thoughts. Moreover, many platforms offer bonuses and rewards for participating in multiple surveys or referring friends. It's important to choose reputable platforms to ensure your time is well spent and your information is secure. Remember to read reviews and guidelines to understand each platform's payout structure and policies. Ultimately, online survey platforms provide a flexible way to earn extra income while sharing your valuable opinions. So, whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or simply enjoy expressing your views, these platforms can be a fun and rewarding opportunity. Just remember to approach each survey with honesty and thoughtfulness, as your feedback can influence real-world decisions. In the end, your voice matters, and online surveys are a powerful way to make it heard, while earning rewards in the process. Websites like Swagbucks, Upwork, and Freelancer provide users with numerous opportunities to engage in surveys and often allow daily cash outs through PayPal or gift cards. To maximize your earning potential, it's essential to be honest in your responses and maintain consistency across surveys. Completing your profile thoroughly can unlock access to a wider variety of surveys tailored to your interests and demographic. Engaging with these platforms regularly not only provides extra income, but also helps you develop a better understanding of the market trends and consumer opinions. By participating actively, you can also earn bonuses and rewards that enhance your overall experience on these platforms. Moreover, joining communities or forums related to these websites can provide valuable tips and insights from other users. Finally, staying patient and persistent is key, as building a steady income stream from surveys can take time, but is ultimately rewarding. In summary, with dedication and a proactive approach, anyone can turn their spare time into a profitable venture through survey platforms. In today's digital age, freelancing platforms have emerged as a lucrative opportunity for individuals with skills in writing, graphic design, or video editing, enabling them to generate daily income. Crafting a compelling profile on these platforms is essential, showcasing your expertise and attracting potential clients. Once your profile is set, the key to success lies in actively bidding on projects that resonate with your skills and interests. Delivering high-quality work consistently will help you build a strong reputation, leading to repeat clients and referrals. Networking within freelancing communities can provide valuable support and open doors to new opportunities. Setting clear boundaries and managing your time effectively are crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance while freelancing. Investing in continuous learning and skill enhancement will keep you competitive in the rapidly evolving freelancing landscape. Ultimately, embracing the freelancing lifestyle offers flexibility and independence, enabling you to choose projects that align with your passion and expertise. However, it's important to stay disciplined and proactive in seeking new projects to ensure a steady stream of income. Websites like ClickSense and ClickWorker offer individuals the chance to earn money by completing simple tasks from the comfort of their homes. Blogging and affiliate marketing have emerged as powerful avenues for generating income, allowing individuals to share their passions while earning through advertisements and partnerships. Platforms like Shutterstock enable creative individuals to sell their photos, graphics, and videos, providing a steady stream of income for talented artists. Offering services such as writing short articles, designing social media posts, or editing videos can be a lucrative way to monetize your skills in the digital marketplace. Many of these platforms often pay out daily or within a few days of completing a project, making it easier for freelancers to manage their finances. Building a strong portfolio is essential to attract clients and showcase your skills effectively in the competitive freelance market. Networking with other professionals and potential clients can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations, enhancing your freelance career. By actively participating in online communities and forums, you can gain valuable insights and build relationships that can lead to future work. To truly maximize your earnings, consistency is key. Dedicating regular time to your efforts can lead to greater financial rewards. Diversifying your income is essential. Relying on multiple platforms can help mitigate risks and enhance your overall profitability. Tracking your earnings is crucial. Maintaining a detailed record allows you to monitor your progress and make informed decisions. Patience is vital in this journey. Understanding that building a consistent daily income takes time and effort will help you stay motivated. Finally, remember to stay committed to your goals. Persistence will help you navigate challenges and ultimately achieve financial success. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can also enhance your success. Connecting with like-minded individuals encourages collaboration and motivation. Continuous learning is essential. Staying updated with new strategies and trends can significantly boost your earning potential. Setting clear, achievable goals will give you direction. Breaking larger objectives into smaller milestones makes the journey more manageable. And that's it. These websites can help you earn money every day. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite online earning platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep exploring new opportunities to boost your income online. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results in your online ventures. Don't hesitate to share your success stories. They can inspire others on their journey. Finally, keep learning and adapting to new trends in the online earning space. By staying informed, you can maximize your potential and find the best strategies that work for you. So gear up and take that first step towards financial freedom today. Every small effort counts, so make each day a stepping stone to your goals. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. Stay connected with our community to learn and share valuable insights along the way. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of online earning and achieve success. Always remember that your hard work and perseverance will lead you to the financial success you desire. So let's embark on this journey together and make the most of every opportunity that comes our way. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to take risks in pursuit of your dreams.